The air filter case attaches to the carburetor and holds the air filter. The plastic case has the choke lever attached to it. Common problems with the case are a broken choke lever or plate, or the case is damaged, often caused by dropping the tool. Replacing the air filter case is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. The air filter case is secured with 2 screws. I'll remove them next. Now I can install the new air filter case. I'll thread the screws through the holes in the case, align the screws with the carburetor, and re-secure both pieces back to the engine. Now I'll reinstall the air filter. I align it with the air filter case, and I'll finish by reinstalling the cover. And now you can install a new air filter case on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up